Hey there, blockchain enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting topic to delve into digital signatures in the world of blockchain technology. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our blockchain updates. Now let's jump right into it. What are digital signatures? Alright, before we dive into how digital signatures work in the blockchain, let's get a clear understanding of what they are. Digital signatures are like the electronic equivalent of your handwritten signature, but they are far more secure and sophisticated. They provide authentication, data integrity, and non-repudiation in digital communications. How do digital signatures work? Now let's explore how digital signatures work within the blockchain ecosystem. When a transaction is created on the blockchain, it's accompanied by a digital signature. This signature is generated using a complex mathematical algorithm involving a private key. This private key is held securely by the sender, while the corresponding public key is available to anyone. The magic happens when the recipient uses the sender's public key to verify the digital signature. If the signature is valid, it means the message or transaction hasn't been tampered with and was indeed sent by the owner of the private key. Benefits of digital signatures in blockchain. Now let's talk about why digital signatures are crucial in blockchain technology. Number 1. Security. Digital signatures ensure the security and authenticity of blockchain transactions, making it extremely challenging for malicious actors to alter data. Number 2. Immutability. Once a transaction is signed and added to a block, it's practically impossible to change without altering the entire blockchain. Number 3. Non-repudiation. This means that a sender cannot deny sending a transaction since their digital signature provides undeniable proof. Let's talk about some use cases. Digital signatures in blockchain technology have various applications. Let's explore some of the most notable ones. Cryptocurrency transactions. Every time you make a Bitcoin or Ethereum transfer, digital signatures play a crucial role in securing those transactions. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements, and digital signatures ensure all parties involved are bound by the terms. Supply chain management. Blockchain-powered supply chain solutions rely on digital signatures to track the authenticity and origin of products. Let's talk about challenges and future developments. Of course, there are challenges and ongoing developments in the world of digital signatures within blockchain. Let's briefly touch upon them. Quantum computing threat. The rise of quantum computing poses a potential threat to the current encryption methods used in digital signatures. Multi-signature wallets. Advances in multi-signature wallets are adding new layers of security to blockchain transactions. Alright, that's it for today. Now wrapping up our exploration of digital signatures in blockchain technology. We hope you now have a better grasp of how these cryptographic wonders work and their importance is securing the world of blockchain. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your fellow blockchain enthusiasts. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in this series in future, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.